welcome, classmates. So, my topic is all about Article 260 and 261. So, I will discussing responsibility of participant in a duel. So, the penalty of reclusion temporal shall be imposed upon any person who shall his adversary in a duel. So, inside responsibility sa duel. So, in a duel, the person can typically share responsibility for their action. So, dapat kabalo sa sila action o sa mga hitabo sila pag guman silang away. So, both parties agree to engage in a duel, aware of the potential, so mga delikado, mga risk, or mga mga outcome kung sa mga hitabo nila. So, duel defined as a formal or regular combat usually concentrate between two parties. In the presence of two or more seconds or lawful age of each side who makes the selection of arms and takes all the other conditions of the fight. So, duel, dili magkasundo ang two parties na mag-away sila. So, example, kung sila gamiton nga armas, dapat parehas sila nga armas. Mag-sit, dili sila mag-sit of time, kung asa sila nga place mag-away, dili ang like, sa mga gamitan nga armas, dili ang sa duel. Murag siya ba? Two parties nga mag-away, nga magkasinabot sila. So, act punished in a duel. So, by killing one's adversary in a duel. So, napatay nimo ang imo nga kaaway, imo kontra. So, what if wala ka mo nakasabot nga magpatyanay mo o wala mo nagsabot sa inyong armas, so dili na matawag nga duel. So, ang makakaso sila kay homicide or murder. So, number 2, by inflicting upon sa adversary physical injuries. So, no death, why nahitabo nga death, but naamoy mga injuries, physical injuries. So, number 3, by making a combat although no physical injuries have been inflicted. So, by making a combat although no physical injuries have been inflicted, So, next is who liable in a duel. So, a person who killed or inflicted by physical injuries upon their adversary or both combatant of any other case as principal. So, both sila ang So, the second is a compliance ang mga tao nga mga kasabwat ba. So, if death result penalty is the same as that homicide. So, homicide ang So, note that the penalty to duel reclusion perpetual the same as that for homicide if death resulted. Kung napatay din ang kontra, ang mas is homicide din ang kaso ana. So, must the penalty be that the physical injury only when the agreement is fight to the death. So, in Article 260 makes no distinctions, and the rules is that we must not distinguish when the law makes no distinction. So, but the general principles that when there is an intent to kill, naka-intention to kill, the inflicting of physical injuries or either attempted to frustrated homicide. So, naka-intention ni mo ba nga mapatay or kaning planuhan ni mo. So, ang kaso na is homicide. So, if only slight physical injuries are inflicted in a given mass, the penalty be arresto minor. So, if no physical injuries are inflicted in a duel, the penalty to be imposed upon the combatant is arresto mayor. So, but the penalty is slight physical injuries as provided as a paragraph 1 of Article 266 is an arresto minor. So, ma-discuss na sa 266 nga article. Next. Article 261, challenging to a duel. So, Article 61, challenging to a duel, the penalty of prison conditional is a minimum of period of 50 days shall be imposed upon any person who shall challenge another or decide another to give or accept. To a challenge to a duel or shall so or there to see another another publicity for having refused to accept the challenge to fight the duel. So, i-challenge siya niya. Wala niya tanggap ang challenge. So, baka ano na siya. So, act punished under Article 261. So, by challenging another to a duel, ikaw ang binagay o away. Ikaw nag-una ba? So, by inciting another to give or accept a challenge to a duel. So, dili ikaw ang kumbat pero bidani nga uban yun. Dapat, sige, tanggapan na challenge para nga na ba? Kay man, ikaw idalhin mo ang kontra mga sige. Dumatang challenge. Next is, by something or trying another publicity to having refused to accept a challenge to fight a duel. So, dili ang hamon ng duel. Tapos ikaw ang i-refuse ka tapos ang offenders kay wala mo sunod dawat ang isa murag impintasan siya ba wala niya gidawat ang challenge. So next is challenge another to a duel. So challenge to fight without completing a duel is not challenging to a duel. So the person making a challenge must be made of formal combat to be a constraint between him and one that challenge and the person or more person. So dapat ang naghagit kag challenge sa duel dapat kapalain mo kontra nga kamo mag-away na parehas mag-armas. So sila sa duel og wala to kabalo ang imong gihagit og kontra. So ang mga kaso Japan sila kay homicide Japan sila. So not challenging to a duel amo ni nga example sa challenge. So nursing of feelings and moved by the accused challenge the offended party to be duel, citing the letter to accept said challenge by uttering, "Come down, let us measure your power." So murag gisubukan gid siya ba nga dapat daw ato na challenge. So you are awkward if you do not come down. So the offended party refused to come down and accept the challenge. So iya gibalidbaran daw nga priya pride ba nga dili niya dawaton niya ang challenge kay murag priya so later with the accused so the offended party ran toward neighbor house and further ran after the later but significant upon seeing the offender's party had the companion. So murag nakita niya nga murag paadto na siya so dapat laban po siya kay para siya ba. So next is person responsible under article of 261 are ang challengers. So, ang naghagit o giaway. So, ang investigators, amo niya mga seconds ng mga persons. Like, ikadua ba, mga third persons, mga fourth persons. So, thank you so much. This is Mary Ford. Wow!